about to go to my shed and work out. It's like a she shed, but it's my gym. So I'm gonna take you along, I'm gonna show you around, and we're gonna work out today. I think I'm gonna work out on legs, only because most of my equipment is in Queens because I live there. This is just like a vacation home until I retire. So most of my equipment's up in Queens. So we're gonna work out here in good old Afton, New York. Bye. So we're over here at my gym. Just want to show you around a little bit about the property. So yesterday we pruned back some trees. This one's a plum. Then over here we have, where the ladder is a pear. Behind it is an apple tree. There's another apple tree that's not doing so good. Another plum tree right here that's not doing so good. Then we have another pear, and we have 2 peach trees back there. So we have to prune those later today. But before that, I'm gonna go into my gym. I'm gonna show you around. So here's my gym door. It needs to be repainted, hopefully one day. This is my gym. It's still a little cold when I put on the heat earlier, but hey. Over here I have a set of weights by NordicTrack. Unfortunately, half my weights are in Queens because that's where I work out. I have a T-grip bar. I do have a box. I use that to do weights on because I don't have a bench chair right now. I have some bars. I have a sandbag in between this. We used to have a pool up here, but we took it away. And I have a treadmill. A lot of this equipment over here is because we are redoing our porch. If I could show you, this area right here used to have a porch that goes up on that, but unfortunately I haven't been able to finish it. So hopefully this year. Again, it's week 3. I'm feeling great. A little cold in here, but I'm just making the best of it. I still have to paint up there, as you can see. Still not painted. Over here I was doing a mural, which is pretty cool. One day it'll be done. Again, I have no time. And this is Amy's gym. This would have, I guess, my schedule on it once I'm living up here. This used to be an old mirror on a door. I repainted it and then I made it into a chalkboard for my gym. We do have a TV, so I can watch TV. And some small weights over here, some small dumbbells. I think my bigger dumbbell is, again, in Queens. So I want to work out, but it is so cold in here still. And I don't even know if this heater is really heating up. I mean, it's trying. It really is trying to heat up, but I don't feel the heat. See, that's off. So this is all the way up. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I mean, in reality, I'm working on some trees, so I am getting a workout by cutting down the trees. I guess I'm just gonna work on some legs and then call it a day. Thanks for checking out my gym with me. If you see anything that you think I can get or that I should have in my gym, I appreciate it. I'm always looking for new equipment to fill up the space. We do have a sink right here that I'm thinking about removing. I haven't decided yet. It doesn't work. It was used by the previous owners to draw water out to an even bigger garden that we have, where you can see the gray tarps over there. We plan on using that once we move up here, but unfortunately we're not there yet. We also have a loft up here that was technically supposed to be used by my children, but now they're all grown. I'm thinking about using it as a reading and maybe a writing area, just to get away from the family and just be by myself. Be a good journaling area. So that's my tour of my gym. Again, if you have any suggestions of what I can add or do or change, I'd appreciate it. I'm always looking for new equipment. I just don't know what to get. It's a small space, but something that would work. I'd appreciate the suggestions. So leave a comment for me and I'll try to get back to you. And again, I love looking at all the comments and seeing what people are saying, giving their opinions. Again, this is my she shed. It's small, it's quaint, but it gets the job done. And I hope to one day be using it daily. Unfortunately, I only get to use it when I come up here on the weekends or when I'm on vacation. So I want to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go do some legs, hopefully get that done. And I will check you back in a week. We'll see how we're doing. I already put my weight up for you in the beginning and how I look. Thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe. I'll see you in week 4, 1 month. Yay. Bye. Let's see if this will work. I'm going to do some morning glories with my T-grip bar. It's a little cold in here. I'm only going to get like 4 workouts in, 4 moves. Try to do 12 of each. Just do 12 3 times. And move on, do some squats. Right now I'm going to do some morning glories with my T-grip bar. Let's do it. Okay, let's grab 35 pounds. Get to it. All right, and I have 2 more workouts to do. So I'll have 3 times each, but I'm gonna say bye. It's too cold and I'm having a hard time focusing on this camera instead of focusing on my workout. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.